Welcome to our deep dive into the fascinating world of comets and asteroids that have had close encounters with Earth. These celestial objects, remnants from the early solar system, hurtle through space at incredible speeds, and sometimes, their paths intersect with our own. You see, space is vast, but it's not empty. It's teeming with objects of all shapes and sizes, and while most pose no threat, some come close enough to give us pause. These close encounters remind us of the dynamic nature of our solar system and the forces that have shaped our planet. I'm Neil, and today we'll explore 5 near misses that could have changed our planet forever. From the remote Siberian wilderness to the skies above a bustling Russian city, we'll journey through time and space to understand these cosmic events. Get ready to explore the science behind these near-Earth objects, the potential consequences of an impact, and the measures we're taking to protect our planet from these celestial wanderers. Let's get started. Our journey begins in 1908, in the remote Siberian wilderness near the Podkamennaya Tunguska River. This vast, untouched expanse of land, characterized by dense forests and winding rivers, was home to a mystery that would baffle scientists and researchers for over a century. The Tunguska region, with its serene and seemingly impenetrable wilderness, was about to become the epicenter of one of the most extraordinary events in modern history. On the morning of June 30th, a blinding flash of light, followed by a deafening explosion, ripped through the air. The sky lit up with an intensity that rivaled the sun, and the sound that followed was heard hundreds of miles away. This was no ordinary explosion. It was an event of such magnitude that it would leave an indelible mark on the landscape and the annals of scientific inquiry. The event, known as the Tunguska event, flattened over 80 million trees across 830 square miles, an area larger than Rhode Island. The force of the explosion was so immense that it caused trees to be uprooted and thrown to the ground, all pointing away from a central point of impact. The sheer scale of the destruction was unprecedented, and it left the scientific community grappling for answers. Witnesses described a fiery object streaking across the sky, leaving a trail of smoke and dust. This object, moving at an incredible speed, seemed to come out of nowhere, and its appearance was as sudden as it was terrifying. The descriptions varied, but the common thread was the sheer brilliance and speed of the object as it tore through the atmosphere. The explosion was so powerful that it registered on seismic stations across Eurasia, and even disturbed the Earth's magnetic field. The shockwave from the blast traveled through the atmosphere, causing instruments thousands of miles away to record the event. This was not just a local phenomenon, it was a global event that had far-reaching implications for our understanding of natural disasters. Yet, despite the event's magnitude, no crater was ever found. This absence of a crater puzzled scientists, as it contradicted the expected outcome of such a massive explosion. The ground in the Tunguska region remained largely untouched, save for the fallen trees, leading to numerous theories and speculations about the nature of the event. The lack of a crater, coupled with the remote location, fueled decades of speculation. The Tunguska event became a fertile ground for theories ranging from the plausible to the fantastical. The remoteness of the area meant that it was not until years later that expeditions could be mounted to investigate the site, adding to the air of mystery and intrigue. Was it a meteor, a comet, or perhaps something even more extraordinary? Theories abounded, each more intriguing than the last. Some suggested a meteor or comet, while others posited more exotic explanations, such as a mini black hole or even an alien spacecraft. The lack of concrete evidence left the door open for a wide range of possibilities. Scientists, explorers, and conspiracy theorists alike have been captivated by the Tunguska event, seeking answers in the heart of the Siberian taiga. Expeditions were launched, and researchers braved the harsh conditions of the Siberian wilderness in search of clues. Each new discovery added a piece to the puzzle, but the complete picture remained elusive. While the exact nature of the object remains a topic of debate, the leading theory suggests it was an airburst caused by a stony asteroid or a comet fragment entering the Earth's atmosphere. This theory posits that the object, upon entering the atmosphere, experienced intense friction, causing it to heat up and eventually explode in mid-air. This would explain the lack of an impact crater and the widespread devastation. As it entered, friction with the air caused the object to heat up and explode before hitting the ground, explaining the lack of an impact crater. The explosion released an enormous amount of energy, equivalent to several megatons of TNT, which flattened the forest and caused the seismic and magnetic disturbances recorded around the world. This theory, while widely accepted, still leaves room for further investigation and discovery. The early 20th century saw numerous expeditions to the Tunguska region, each aiming to uncover the truth behind the enigmatic event. Scientists from various fields, including geology, astronomy, and physics, collaborated to piece together the evidence. These early efforts laid the groundwork for our current understanding, but many questions remained unanswered. In recent years, advancements in technology have allowed scientists to revisit the Tunguska event with fresh eyes. Satellite imagery, computer simulations, and advanced analytical techniques have provided new insights into the event. These modern tools have helped to refine our understanding, but the Tunguska event continues to be a subject of fascination and study. Theories about the Tunguska event have evolved over time, reflecting our growing understanding of the universe. While the airburst theory remains the most widely accepted, alternative explanations continue to capture the imagination. From alien spacecraft to mini black holes, the Tunguska event serves as a reminder of the mysteries that still lie beyond our grasp. The Tunguska event has inspired countless books, articles, and public lectures, each exploring different facets of the mystery. It has become a case study in scientific inquiry, demonstrating the importance of evidence, hypothesis testing, and the willingness to entertain multiple possibilities. The event continues to be a source of inspiration for scientists and enthusiasts alike. Today, the Tunguska region remains a place of scientific interest and exploration. Modern-day expeditions continue to visit the site, collecting samples and data to further our understanding of the event. The legacy of the Tunguska event lives on, driving scientific curiosity and reminding us of the power and unpredictability of the natural world. As we look to the skies, the Tunguska event serves as a humbling reminder of our place in the universe. It challenges us to continue exploring, questioning, and seeking answers to the mysteries that surround us. The enigma of Tunguska is not just a story of destruction, but a testament to the enduring human spirit of discovery and wonder. Fast forward to the 21st century, and our cosmic anxieties were reignited. On February 15, 2013, a near-Earth asteroid, estimated to be about 66 feet in diameter, entered Earth's atmosphere over Chelyabinsk, Russia. This wasn't a remote event like Tunguska. This was a densely populated area, a bustling city with over 1 million inhabitants going about their daily lives, completely unaware of the celestial spectacle about to unfold above them. At 9:20 a.m. local time, a blinding flash illuminated the morning sky, followed by a deafening sonic boom that shattered windows and shook buildings. The meteor, traveling at an estimated speed of 40,000 miles per hour, created a massive shockwave as it ripped through the atmosphere. The Chelyabinsk meteor, captured on countless dashcams and security cameras, provided a stark and sobering reminder of our planet's vulnerability to cosmic impacts. This wasn't science fiction, this was a real-time event, unfolding in front of our eyes, broadcast across the globe. Space is vast, but it's not empty. It's a sprawling expanse filled with wonders and mysteries that have captivated humanity for centuries. From the twinkling stars that dot the night sky to the distant galaxies that stretch beyond our imagination, space is a realm of endless possibilities. But amidst this cosmic beauty lies a hidden danger, one that we often overlook in our quest for knowledge and exploration. And as we gaze out at the cosmic ballet, we sometimes get a reminder that our planet isn't exactly isolated. We are part of a larger cosmic neighborhood, one that is constantly in motion. The stars and planets move in their orbits, and so do countless other objects, some of which pose a potential threat to our existence. It's a delicate dance, one that requires constant vigilance and understanding. It's more like living in a cosmic shooting gallery, with asteroids whizzing by more often than you'd think. These space rocks, remnants from the formation of our solar system, travel at incredible speeds, and their paths can sometimes bring them dangerously close to Earth. While most of these asteroids are small and burn up in our atmosphere, some are large enough to cause significant damage if they were to collide with our planet. In June 2004, astronomers at the Kitt Peak National Observatory in Arizona spotted something unsettling: a new asteroid, later named Apophis. This discovery was not just another routine observation, it was a moment that would capture the attention of scientists and the public alike. The asteroid, named after the ancient Egyptian god of chaos, seemed to live up to its name as it brought with it a sense of impending doom, Now, discovering asteroids isn't exactly news, we find those all the time. Our solar system is teeming with these rocky bodies, and astronomers have cataloged thousands of them. Each discovery adds to our understanding of the solar system's history and the processes that shaped it. However, not all asteroids are created equal, and some warrant more attention than others. But this one was different. Apophis was not just another asteroid to be cataloged and forgotten. Its size and trajectory set it apart from the rest. Measuring over 300 meters in diameter, Apophis was large enough to cause widespread devastation if it were to impact Earth. The initial calculations of its orbit sent shockwaves through the scientific community. Early calculations suggested that Apophis had a significant chance, about a 1 in 37 chance, of hitting Earth in 2029. This was an alarming probability, one that demanded immediate attention and action. The potential impact of such an event was almost unimaginable. A collision with an asteroid of this size could release energy equivalent to hundreds of nuclear bombs, causing massive destruction and loss of life. That's right, folks, a potentially city-destroying asteroid on a collision course with our pale blue dot. The thought of such an event is enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. The impact could create a crater several kilometers wide, flattening everything in its vicinity and sending shockwaves around the globe. The resulting dust and debris could block out sunlight, leading to a nuclear winter scenario that could have devastating effects on the global climate and agriculture. You can understand why this caused a bit of a stir in the scientific community. Astronomers, astrophysicists, and space agencies around the world sprang into action, working tirelessly to refine their calculations and assess the true risk posed by Apophis. Meetings were held, data was analyzed, and plans were made to track the asteroid's movements with greater precision. The goal was to determine whether Apophis would indeed collide with Earth, or if it would pass us by at a safe distance. Suddenly, Apophis wasn't just another data point in an astronomer's catalog, it became a symbol of the very real cosmic threats we face. It served as a stark reminder that our planet is not immune to the dangers lurking in space. The discovery of Apophis highlighted the importance of continued vigilance and research in the field of planetary defense. It underscored the need for international cooperation and investment in technologies that could help us detect and deflect potentially hazardous asteroids. It became a symbol of the very real cosmic threats we face. The discovery of Apophis was a wake-up call, a reminder that we are not alone in the universe and that our planet is vulnerable to external forces beyond our control. It prompted a renewed focus on the study of near-Earth objects and the development of strategies to mitigate the risks they pose. Scientists began to explore various methods of asteroid deflection, from kinetic impactors to gravitational tractors, in an effort to find a viable solution to this existential threat. It was a wake-up call, a reminder of our own vulnerability in the grand scheme of things. The story of Apophis serves as a testament to the importance of scientific inquiry and the need for preparedness in the face of potential disasters. It reminds us that while we may be small in the vastness of the cosmos, our actions and decisions can have a profound impact on our future. As we continue to explore the mysteries of space, let us not forget the lessons learned from Apophis and remain vigilant in our efforts to protect our home planet. Now, let's fast forward to the year 2019. It was a year like any other, filled with its own set of challenges and triumphs. But little did we know, a silent surprise was lurking in the vast expanse of space, waiting to make its presence known. The universe, with its infinite mysteries, had a special event in store for us, one that would remind us of our place in the cosmos. I remember exactly where I was when I heard about this one. It was a typical day, and I was going about my usual routine. The news broke suddenly, interrupting the mundane flow of daily life. People around the world were glued to their screens, their faces a mix of shock and awe. It was as if the universe had decided to throw a curveball, catching us all off guard. It was July 25th, and a celestial object the size of a football field decided to pay Earth a visit. Unannounced, I might add. This wasn't just any ordinary space rock, it was a massive asteroid hurtling through the void at incredible speeds. The sheer size and speed of this object were enough to send shivers down anyone's spine. Imagine a giant rock, larger than a football field, moving through space with the potential to cause unimaginable destruction. The asteroid, aptly named 2019 OK, was on a trajectory that brought it within 45,000 miles of our home planet. To put that into perspective, that's closer than the moon. The moon, our constant companion in the night sky, orbits Earth at an average distance of about 238,000 miles. This asteroid, however, came much closer, a mere 45,000 miles away. It was a close shave, a near miss that left many of us pondering the fragility of our existence. To put that into perspective, that's closer than the moon. The moon, our celestial neighbor, has always been a source of wonder and inspiration. But this asteroid, 2019 OK, came much closer, reminding us of the unpredictable nature of the cosmos. It was a stark reminder that, despite our advancements in technology and science, we are still at the mercy of these celestial wanderers. Imagine the cosmic dice rolling just slightly differently, and we'd have had a much closer encounter. The universe is a vast and unpredictable place, and the paths of these celestial objects are influenced by countless factors. A slight change in trajectory, a tiny nudge from another object, and the outcome could have been drastically different. It's a humbling thought, realizing how delicate the balance of our existence truly is. But here's the kicker: we only had a few hours' notice. In an age where we pride ourselves on our ability to predict and prepare for various events, this was a sobering reminder of our limitations. The asteroid appeared on our radar just hours before its closest approach, leaving little time for any meaningful response. It was a wake-up call for the scientific community and the world at large. This wasn't a case of astronomers tracking an object for decades. Unlike some other celestial objects that have been observed and studied for years, 2019 OK was a true cosmic ninja, sneaking up on us in the vastness of space. It was a reminder that despite our best efforts, there are still many unknowns out there lurking in the shadows waiting to surprise us. 2019 OK was a true cosmic ninja, sneaking up on us in the vastness of space. Its sudden appearance and close approach left many of us in awe of the universe's unpredictability. It was a reminder that despite our advancements in technology and our understanding of the cosmos, there are still many mysteries waiting to be uncovered. And that, my friends, is a stark reminder of the ever-present nature of these celestial wanderers. The universe is filled with countless objects, each following its own path, influenced by the gravitational forces of other celestial bodies. These wanderers, with their unpredictable trajectories, serve as a reminder of the dynamic and ever-changing nature of the cosmos. The good news is, 2019 OK passed us by without incident. It continued on its journey through the cosmos, leaving Earth unscathed, but its close approach served as a reminder of the potential dangers that lurk in the vastness of space. It was a near miss that left many of us grateful for the outcome, but also aware of the need for continued vigilance. But it did raise some eyebrows in the scientific community. How did something so large go undetected for so long? This question sparked a flurry of discussions and debates among scientists and astronomers. It highlighted the need for improved detection methods and better understanding of the objects that inhabit our solar system. The event served as a catalyst for renewed efforts in the field of asteroid detection and tracking. How did something so large go undetected for so long? The answer lies in the complexities of space observation. Despite our advanced telescopes and detection systems, the vastness of space and the sheer number of objects within it make it challenging to track every single one. Some objects, like 2019 OK, can remain hidden until they are very close, making detection difficult. Well, it turns out that size isn't everything in the asteroid hunting game. While larger objects are generally easier to detect, their trajectories and the vastness of space can still make them elusive. The event of 2019 OK served as a reminder of the importance of continued research and advancements in the field of space observation. It highlighted the need for international collaboration and the sharing of data to improve our chances of detecting and tracking these celestial wanderers. In the wake of this event, efforts were ramped up to improve our detection capabilities. Scientists and astronomers around the world began working together more closely, sharing data and resources to enhance our ability to track and predict the paths of these objects. New technologies and methods were developed, and existing systems were upgraded to provide better coverage and more accurate predictions. One of the key advancements was the development of more powerful telescopes and observatories. These new instruments allowed scientists to see further and with greater clarity, improving our chances of detecting objects like 2019 OK before they get too close. The event served as a catalyst for innovation and progress in the field of space observation. Another important development was the creation of more sophisticated detection systems. These systems use advanced algorithms and data analysis techniques to identify potential threats and predict their paths with greater accuracy. By combining data from multiple sources and using cutting-edge technology, scientists are now better equipped to detect and track these celestial objects. In addition to detection and tracking, efforts were also made to develop methods for deflecting or mitigating the impact of potential threats. Various strategies were explored, including the use of spacecraft to nudge asteroids off their collision course with Earth. These efforts are still in the early stages, but they represent an important step towards protecting our planet from future threats. The event of 2019 OK also highlighted the importance of international collaboration. Space is a global concern, and protecting our planet from potential threats requires cooperation and coordination among nations. By working together and sharing resources, we can improve our chances of detecting and mitigating these threats. As we look to the future, it's clear that the event of 2019 OK was a wake-up call. It reminded us of the unpredictable nature of the cosmos and the need for continued vigilance. But it also sparked a renewed sense of purpose and determination among scientists and astronomers. With improved detection methods, advanced technologies, and international collaboration, we are better prepared to face the challenges that lie ahead. The story of 2019 OK is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of the human spirit. It serves as a reminder that, despite the challenges and uncertainties we face, we have the ability to adapt, innovate, and overcome. As we continue to explore the cosmos and uncover its mysteries, we do so with a renewed sense of purpose and a commitment to protecting our planet and its inhabitants. And so, as we move forward, let us remember the lessons of 2019 OK. Let us continue to push the boundaries of our knowledge and capabilities, always striving to better understand the universe and our place within it. For in the vastness of space there are countless wonders waiting to be discovered, and countless challenges waiting to be overcome. Together we can face them all. Now hold on to your hats, folks, because we're about to dive into a story that'll make 2019 OK look like a distant memory. On November 13, 2020, an asteroid designated 2020 VT4 zipped past Earth, setting a new record for the closest non-impacting asteroid ever observed. This celestial daredevil came within a mere 240 miles of our planet's surface. That's closer than the International Space Station. Imagine for a moment, a chunk of rock, roughly the size of a house, hurtling through space at over 26,000 miles per hour, practically grazing our atmosphere. Now you might be thinking, Neil, why wasn't this all over the news? Why weren't we warned? Well, the truth is, astronomers didn't even spot this sneaky space rock until it had already passed its closest point to Earth. And that, my friends, is a testament to just how difficult it can be to detect these small, fast-moving objects, even with all our advanced technology. Thank you for joining us on this journey through space and time, where we've explored some of the most dramatic close encounters between Earth and celestial wanderers. From the Tunguska event to the hair-raising flyby of 2020 VT4, we've seen how these cosmic encounters have shaped our understanding of the universe and our place within it. Remember, while these near misses remind us of the potential dangers lurking in the vast expanse of space, they also highlight the incredible wonders of our universe. The very forces that shape these celestial objects also bind our planet and drive the evolution of life itself. Stay curious and keep looking up. You never know what cosmic wonders await your discovery.